you doing? So lately, I have been facing issues while executing my code in Playground. The thing was, it always stuck in launching simulator and it often freezes at that point. So the experience of creating a logic while you solve your problem was compromised here. So I found out a way to get through that freeze. So let's create a playground and it will be a blank playground. And next, and I will say where my playground, desktop, whatever. So here is my code. The thing is that it always, you may have seen that it always stuck in this phase like launching simulator and just stuck at there. So the thing that kept it hanging around was actually a mistake we were doing, but the real issue is obviously at Apple's end. The issue was we were always kept our playground to be for iOS. As you can see here in playground setting, the platform was always iOS. So the thing was, if I will open my activity monitor, if I can find it, this is it. Core simulator bridge. This thing kept it hanging around. Like it is some kind of bridge between our code and simulator. So it is being run here, as you can see here that it is ready now. But most of the time you may have experienced it that this thing kept hanging around and it kills lots of memory. So if you can monitor on our activity monitor of the core simulator, the processor gets stuck and hence killing CPU memory and speed. So the solution was simply changing our playground to be run for macOS rather than for iOS. As you can see in macOS. So the only issue was by doing this is you cannot use the this framework here, right? Import UI kit. As you can see here, it is giving me an error because in macOS there is no UI kit framework for us, as it is a framework for only for mobile phone and for iOS standard only. So if you guys found it useful, kill the like button and subscribe me. So see you in the next video.